Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about good and bad planets for Aries ascendant. As you know, Aries ascendant is ruled by Mars. Mars also rules the 8th house for this native. So, for Aries ascendant, Mars is the first lord and is also the 8th lord. So, the lord of 8th, when it is also the lord of a trine, that is 1, 5 or 9, then it becomes a good planet. So for Aries ascendant, Mars cannot be said to be a fully good planet because it also rules the 8, but if it associates with 5th lord Sun or 9th lord Jupiter, then it can become a good planet. Otherwise Mars will be uh, just a neutral planet, because amongst the trines 159, the first is the weakest trine. So the lordship of first house cannot be beneficial than the lordship of 8th house. So Mars for Aries Lagna, when it is with Jupiter or Sun, it can become a yoga producing planet or a beneficial planet. But when it is not with Jupiter or Sun, it can cause troubles, particularly when it is with Venus, 2nd and 7th lord, or Mercury, or even with Saturn. With these planets, Mars can become troublesome. Venus rules these natives 2nd and 7th house. So Venus is a neutral planet because it rules 2nd house as well as the 7th house. Planet ruling 2nd house is always neutral, and it depends on the other house it rules. The 7th house is a neutral house. So Venus is a neutral for this ascendant, but Venus is also a strong Maraka planet because it is a lord of 2nd and 7th house. Lord of 2nd and 7th house is a Maraka planet. So Venus, when it conjoins Mars, can become a malefic and can cause a death in its dasha. Mercury is the ruler of 3rd and 6th house. Mercury is also not a good planet for Aries because Mercury rules two evil houses, that is 3rd and 6th. So Mercury is an evil planet for Aries ascendant. Moon is a neutral because it rules the 4th house, but when Moon combines with Jupiter or Sun, it can become a good planet. Moon with Jupiter or Moon with Mars is a good planet for Aries ascendant. Sun is lord of 5th and is a beneficial planet. Sun, when combines with Mars, is also good. The 5th lord is always a benefic planet, so Sun is good planet for Aries ascendant. Sun, when it combines with Jupiter or Mars, becomes very good. When it combines with Venus, it will get reduced of its beneficial qualities, and also when it is combined with Saturn, it cannot produce yoga because Saturn is the evil 11th lord. Venus we have seen, and then Mars also we have seen. Jupiter is a beneficial planet for this ascendant because it is the lord of the 9th, which is a trine, and it is lord of the 12th, which is a neutral house. The 2nd, 8th or 12th house, when it rules a good house, it becomes beneficial. So here 12th lord neutral, but Jupiter is the Mula Trikona sign, that is the 9th house is the Mula Trikona sign of the Jupiter, so it becomes beneficial. Jupiter, when placed in any of the Kendra houses 1, 4, 7, 10, will cause yoga for these natives. Saturn is 10th and 11th lord, and it is not a good planet because it rules the 11th house, which is evil. Saturn cannot form yoga for Aries ascendant. Saturn is 11th lord and will disrupt Jupiter. If it combines with Jupiter, Jupiter will become malefic and will give bad results. Saturn when combined with Mars is also bad. Saturn when combined with Sun also cannot form yoga, because you would think that Saturn is 10th lord and Sun is 5th lord, so combination of 5th and 10th lord can produce yoga, but no, it cannot produce yoga because Saturn is the 11th lord here, and the 11th lord is the strongest of the evil houses of 3, 6 and 11, and 5th house is only the second strongest trine of 9, 5 and 1. So Saturn cannot form yoga. Saturn and Jupiter cannot form yoga for this native. So to summarize, good planets are Jupiter, Sun, and then Mars when it combines with the Moon or Sun and Jupiter. Evil planets are Venus, Mercury and Saturn. Moon is a neutral, but when it combines with Mars, it can produce yoga, or when it combines with Jupiter or Sun, it can be beneficial. Moon when it combines with any other planet can become a malefic, especially with Saturn or with Mercury. Moon can become evil. So we have seen the nature of planets for Aries ascendant. I hope this video is clear, and I will do more videos regarding the nature of house lords for each ascendant. Thank you.